In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start a blog online in Ghana. So many of you have been asking me I should do a full tutorial on how you can start a blog. So if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and make sure to also join the WhatsApp group down below because it's very important. I'll take you on one-on-one how you can also start earning passive income with your online website. So basically, if you are going to start a website, you need a domain and a hosting plan. The domain is the name of your website and the hosting is the house, is where you store your blogs, your images and everything. And the reason why you need a hosting is because so that if someone is coming to your website, they will be able to see your content. So it's very important you get a domain and a website when you are starting a blog or when you are starting your own online business. So basically, I'll be showing you guys how you can start a website, whether you are in Africa, you are in USA or any part of the world. You can use the strategy that I'm about to share with you. So basically, if you are in Ghana, you can either pay with your mobile money or you can also pay with your bank account. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step processes on how you can start your own website. And many of you know I have 3 websites and all these websites are functional. You don't need PC to start a website. Some of you are saying you need PC. You don't need PC to start a website. So just click on the first link down below and you come to a website called StormerHost. StormerHost will give you a hosting for only 60 Ghana cedis per year, and the domain is usually the one which is expensive, 85 Ghana cedis. So approximately you'll be spending around 160 there about. So what you just have to do is that when you click on the first link down below this video, you will come to a page like this. Then you have to create an account. Okay, so you click here to either get an account. So let's click here. I already have an account with these particular people, so I might log in to my account. So this is my account. I'll just log in. So if you don't have an account, you can use your Gmail or you can use your Twitter to sign up for an account. Okay, if you forget your password, you can click here to get a new password. So I'll just log in to my account and show you guys how you can set up your own blog. So as you can see, I have 2 service and 1 domain. That means that I have 1 hosting plan going on and I also have 1 domain going on. And my website, many of you know it, is called Private Hostel. So I'll just show you guys how you can also do this. It's very simple. If you follow the step-by-step processes, I promise you will be able to start your own website. As you can see, if you go to Google and search for my website name, many of you will see it. So let me just go to google.com. I'll also be showing you how you can add your website to Google so that if someone go and search for it, they will be able to see it. So this particular website that I created is about hostels in Ghana. So it's about hostels. So if I search for hostels in Tamale, if I search for hostels in Ghana, Accra, Absa, private hostels in Absa, if I search for private hostels in Absa, my website will be the one to come out because I have a lot of information about private hostels around Absa. Okay, so this is it. So you can see my website is the first one and it's always getting clicks every single day. People are visiting my website, private hostels in Absa. You see, look at my website here, privatehostels.com, private hostels around Absa 2022. So you can also follow the steps that I'm about to share with you in this video and you will be able to create your own website. Guys, people are making about $500 to $600 every single month just for a new website. So what you have to do is that you have to come to a website called StormerHost. Then you create an account. After you have finished creating an account, you just click on the menu bar this way. Then you go to services. Okay, you click on services to add new service. But for now, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy a domain and connect it to your hosting plan. So you click here, then you click on add new domain. So let's click to get a new, register a new domain. So you click on register a new domain. Guys, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that tomorrow you'll be the first person to receive another tutorial from me. Make sure to join the group. Joining the group, the WhatsApp group, is very important so that I can take you one-on-one on how you can set up your WordPress website. Okay, so what you just have to do is that we have to enter our domain name. That means the name of our website. So usually if you are getting a website, always use something that like resemble your website. So assuming if you are starting a website about clothes, you can say GH store. If you are starting a website about phones, you can say GH accessories, or you can say world accessories. All these things have. If you are starting a website about hotels and houses, you can just write a domain name that tallies with the hotel so that people will be able to remember once they are familiar with your website. As you can see, hostel world, they talk about hotels. Okay, if my website just come to your mind, private hostel, you definitely know that it's about hotels and hostels, or travelers getting accommodation. So the website is about accommodation. If you want to do a website about news or trending topics, you can just write GH news or something like that. So let's say we are starting a website about sports. I can say live. Okay, so let's just use live football GH. So I'm just assuming we are starting a website about football. So what I can do is that I can make sure that my website name is also talking about football and also in the location. So if you want, you can leave the location out, but I will recommend you put the location so that Google Search Console can know that someone searching for live football is from Ghana. So let's search for it this way. So as you can see, our domain is available, livefootballgh.com. So what you need to do next is you just click on add to cart. So I'll click here, then I'll click on checkout. So when we are talking about you registering an account with Stormhost, you can either use a new address, residential address for your domain hosting. If you are new, you have to use a residential address. But if you already have an account with Stormhost, then what you just have to do is that you can just select to decide whether you want to use your permanent address that is on Stormhost or you are changing a new address. This particular plan is not that important. The domain configuration, DNS management, I don't see it to be important, but you can click it free for the first year. So that means that the first year you will get it for free, but the next year that I don't know. But the ID protection is 35 Ghana cedis every single year. It's very important, guys, so make sure to always take it so that if someone go to whosedomain.com and search for your website name, they will be able, like, they will hide it from them, they won't be able to see it. And email forwarders are about you getting your own email website server. So that means that you can now be using live football GH at, you see how it goes. So you can do that, and you also have your own email, business email. So the servers, don't disturb the servers, it's okay. You just click on continue. So make sure to always click on ID protection, then you click on continue. Okay, so they are saying that the price for this particular domain is 120 Ghana cedis. So you just click on continue to check out. But if you have money, you do the 2 years own, which is very good. Always do the 2 years own, which is very good. But if you don't have money, you can select the 1 year for 85 Ghana cedis. Okay, so that means that for the next year you pay 120 Ghana cedis, but if you are just starting out, it's 85 Ghana cedis. Then if you have a promo code, you can use it. After that, you just click on checkout. So here we will select either our address. So I was telling you guys that because I already have my address here, but if you are new to this particular website, they can either ask you to use a new address, or you want to use the address that you have used to sign up for the account. So if I click here, I will be able to change my address, but I'll just click on continue because I already have a default address. Okay, so that's it. You can either select mobile money payment, bank payment, or PayPal. After that, you just click on agree, then you click on next to pay with your mobile money. So if I click on complete order this way, so let's just wait for it. So this is unpaid. What we have to do is that we'll go to my, so look at it guys, this is an invoice from Stormerhost. That means that I will send 120 Ghana cedis to this particular number. The name is Stormerhost. So I will send, I will do a payment. I'll go to my MTN mobile money and pay money to this particular number. I'll pay 120 Ghana cedis to this particular number. After I've finished paying it, I'll now receive a Gmail from them. I'll receive a Gmail from them this way. Then your website is good to go. So let's just go back to my Google account and I'll show you something. After you have finished buying the domain name, you can now continue to do hosting too. It's also the same procedure. When you finish with the domain name, guys, pay attention to what I'm saying. If you finish with your hosting, pay now. Just click on it to pay. If you finish paying, what you have to do is just click on back to client area. If you are having difficulty paying, just contact them. They are reliable. They will get back to you soon. So after you have finished paying, what you do next is you have to get a hosting. You have to get a hosting. You can click here to get new hosting. So the hosting annually is 60 Ghana cedis for starter. So if you are someone who you are doing a blog, you can use the starter one, but I would recommend you do the basic plan if you are going to be doing a website about sports or news, because some of them have a lot of bandwidth. They use a lot of images. You should use the basic plan, which is 200 Ghana cedis per month. So on average, the amount you'll be spending is 320 Ghana cedis for starting a website in Ghana, which is very cheaper. If you go to GoDaddy or Hostiga, you might pay about $45, which is equivalent to around 600 or even 500 Ghana cedis. So guys, if you get your hosting plan, that's it. You just need to get your domain after you have gotten the domain. But if you don't have money to, you can come and choose the starter plan. You just click on order now. Then you can pay with the same procedure as you use the domain. So remember, I told you that always use the existing domain. So you select the domain name that you bought from them. That's it. Then you now go back to the service section. Okay, so if you go to home, we'll now see our domain and our hosting. It usually takes about 30 minutes before all of them will be active on your dashboard. So let's say you are going to install WordPress. You just click on the service section this way. So you now come, this is my website here, private hostels. So if I click on this one, you people might see my things, so I don't want to do that. But when you just click here, you will be able to select the way you want to install. You will be able to go to your cPanel. Guys, if you're having problem, join the WhatsApp group and text me. I will be able to help you by reply. So it's very important you join the WhatsApp group. After that, then you can now use your WordPress. Basically, this is how your WordPress dashboard usually look like. So you don't need even a laptop or PC to start blogging online in Ghana. You just need to get hosting. That's it. So you can click on the addition button to post a new blog. So if I click on the addition button this way, I will be able to start a new blog. If I click here, then go to Google site and go to dashboard. So this is the number of people visiting our website at this particular time. So it's very important. If you finish creating your website, you can go to Google Search Console. So just go to Google. This is the visitors we are getting for now. You can see the impressions are increasing, and even our sales at Google AdSense. So after you have finished starting the website, just go to Google Search Console. You can just go to Google and search for Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Okay, so if you search for Google Search Console, we will be able to add our website and make it also visible on the Google platform. Okay, so Google Search Console. This way, then you just follow the necessary details. So if you click here, then I click on start. I have a particular, my website is already connected, so I don't want you guys to see my data. But if you click on start now, you will be able to add your website to Google and it will start appearing. It usually takes 2 to 3 days before your website will be visible on Google searches. Guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so that this video will help more people. Join the WhatsApp group and text me and I will be able to help you start your own blog. See you in tomorrow's video.